He's recording.
We are walking along a freaking highway.
Trying to get to a guitar shop. That's Thomas. And that's Jiamin walking.
And this is Thomas's great idea.
Yeah, and we still have 3 more streets to go. This is madness. Let's take more videos of the cars. Come.
Zoom.
Oh, I can't zoom. Oh, no.
Wait, Thomas is going to treat us to Starbucks.
Yeah, he better. He better treat us to Starbucks. We just crossed 2 highways.
Oh, it's so hot.
Oh yeah, it's really hot. Hey, wait up! Oh, piano shop.
Is it the last street? Is it the last street?
Are we really? They say we're quite near. Okay, let's go.